Hey, what's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? This is your boy Joshua Santa here, coming to you live from UK, and welcome to my YouTube channel called Rich Reviews. Welcome to Rich Reviews. First and foremost, I want to introduce to this amazing software that I've come across, and I just had to do a review on. It's called Conversio, and it's used to actually help businesses. So whether you have an affiliate marketing website or any brick and mortar websites or any e-commerce websites or what have you, and you're looking to drive a loads of traffic to your business, business website, or get a lot of leads and conversions and actually explode your email list, trust me, this is the software you should get. It's called Conversio, and it will actually expand your business to a whole nother level and increase it to the highest moon, because it's there to actually increase your sales at a fast, rapid pace, and to explode your email list and to explode the leads coming onto your website. Okay, so what is ConversioBot? So ConversioBot, transforms your website into an automated leads and sales bot. Okay, how we automatically add 189,986 quality leads and generated 6,386 sales in 6 months. Guys, this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. Um, in terms of, in a day and age that we're living in now, you have softwares that can actually explode your business, and you have people that can make six figures, seven figures within the next 10 months to 12 months. Is that easy, guys? And this is a software that can actually make your business to go to that particular level. Okay, guys, so you don't need any special skills or experience to use this revolutionary AI technology to get leads, sales, or profit starting today. And let me scroll down further onto the page and read furthermore. So what does it do? What is this functions with Convertible? So it increases website sales. Okay. Simply copy and paste one line of automated bot code to website or blog, increased our sales by 198%, guys. Okay. Automatically generate massive numbers of quality leads. Use our done for you lead generation bots to automatically build huge lists of leads. Conversion bot automatically built us a massive list of 189,986 quality leads. These are our results, and your results may vary, but please read the full disclaimer here. Okay. Now it works for a huge range of businesses, proven to work for website owners, blog owners, newbies, affiliate marketers, product vendors, e-com sellers, social marketers, video marketers, brick and mortar business owners, like I mentioned before, consultants, freelancers, and many more. So no matter what business that you're in and you've just built a website, trust me, this software is built to actually increase the sales, increase the leads, and increase the conversion rates of your business at a fast, rapid pace, guys. Okay, so scrolling down further, it has also for full commercial license with pro version. Okay, that means you can sell your chatbots to local businesses, social media marketers, bloggers, consultants, e-com entrepreneurs, product vendors, brick and mortar business owners, and offline consultants, and many more, guys. Okay, also has a special limited offer. Get conversion bot for a low one-time payment. Okay, guys. So lock in, guys, lock in. Okay. Do you have a website or blog? Want to know how a single line code added 6,386 sales to those who use conversion bot to our ClickBank accounts? And this is just an example. A ClickBank account, it doesn't need, your business doesn't need to have a ClickBank account. It can be with Wix or any other business that you're into. It can increase the sales ridiculously, guys. Okay. And how this new website code automatically built us a massive list of 189,986 quality leads. Okay, guys. So these are the results that people have gotten, within a short space of time, guys. Our beta testers are also loving this revolutionary AI technology, like Rich Williams, who increased his sales by 177% in just 2 days, guys. Okay. Or Chris, who built a new email list of 191,981 buyers in only 4 days, guys. Testimonials appearing on this site are actually received via text, audio, or video submission. They are individual experiences reflecting real life experiences of those who have used our products and or services in some way or another. However, they are individual results and your results may vary. But even though results may vary, when you plug and play into the system, your results can be similar. All you need to just to follow the easy 1, 2, 3 step system with Conversio, and you just copy the code onto your website. They show you how, they have the training videos, and it's easy to follow. And bang, there you go, off to the races, and you just see your website, your business explode on another level. Okay, guys? So copy and paste just one line of automated bot code, like I mentioned before, to any website or blog of your choice or in your business, and exploit a new AI technology similar to that used by huge companies such as Spotify. They use this conversion bot, okay? Starbucks, Lyft, WSJ, Walt Disney, H&M, Pizza Hut, Staples, and AM Tra. So all the blue chip companies that you may be aware of in the corporate world, they're using Conversion Bot to expand their business on at a high rate. On behalf of Simon Wood, Gary Prakash, and Imran Sadiq, and the rest of the team, welcome, guys. So these are the creators of the business of Conversible. Okay, together we have got 32 years of experience in developing cutting-edge software. Okay, guys. Over the last 11 months, okay, we spent vast sums developing a new bot technology. Our revolutionary has the potential to explode the conversions of almost any website, and I mean any website, guys. Okay, so affiliate review websites, e-commerce stores, list building pages, web WordPress blogs, sales letters, drop shipping sites, local business sites, webinar registration pages, consultancy websites, and freelance websites, and many, many more websites. Okay, guys. Our sophisticated bot code works with ClickFunnels, Convertri, Katra, WordPress, Shopify, Magento, PrestaShop, Joomla, Drupal, BigCommerce, Wix, all HTML website, guys. And these are all the websites that they work with, guys, okay? So, guys, I mean, this is a win-win situation for you, all right? I would advise you to have a look into this business, into this software bot. The link will be in the description below the video, and just have a look. And if you're really interested, and in my strong opinion, I believe that you have nothing to lose, because if you want your business to go to another level in the year of 2022, and you want your business to explode, I'm actually going to get into this as well today. So if you're interested, just sign up, guys. Don't regret it. I mean, you will never regret it. Okay, guys, just sign up. And when you sign up, also, you'll get a special bonus from me. You'll get a special giveaway from me. All you need to do is you will have to DM me in my Instagram. So my Instagram link will be on the description below. You'll message me in my Instagram saying that you've purchased the products. So you'll send me the screenshot of that purchase, and I'll give you that special bonus, that special giveaway. Okay, guys. So it will be a win-win situation for you. So guys, I mean, don't hesitate. Click on the link, purchase the products, and you'll never be the same ever again, guys. Okay. So I look forward to hearing from you. And any questions or any concerns you have, comment below the video, or message me on my Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions and any queries that you may have. Okay, guys. So yeah, guys, have a nice day. Don't regret it. Take that leap of faith, take that action, and explode your business. Let's go and let's get it. See you later, guys. Take care. Bye for now. Bye.